Hello Best Fiends fans, today I'll be showing you how to sculpt Kwincy using polymer clay and black colored copper wire. I am starting with a ball of yellow clay and I am preparing a spot for the eye with a ball and a tool. I cut out the smile and then using a metallic embossing tool I just push the mouth more open. I make sure the ball is round by rolling it around a few times. Then I add the eyeball with a white ball of clay. I'm making the tongue with an U shape and a line in the middle, and I push it inside the mouth. Now I am making some teeth. I cut out 4 U-shapes, 2 big ones for the upper lip and 2 small ones for the lower lip. Then I cut 2 small pieces of black colored copper wire and I push them on top. And then I bake. Now to add the legs, add some clay underneath the head. I am cutting 3 pieces of wire and I add the legs underneath in the clay. I smooth everything out. And I bake. After baking, I add a black dot onto Kwincy's eye. And on top of it, to form the eyebrow. While waiting for the black paint to dry, I form and shape the legs. And I cut excess wire. I form the antennas. So I mixed some yellow paint with a little bit of black and I'm painting stripes all around Kwincy. And now I mix some white with some yellow acrylic paint to paint on Kwincy's face. I am also painting Kwincy's inside mouth with a mixture of red and black. Be careful not to put paint onto the teeth, but if you do, you can scratch the surface off at the end when the paint is dry. I finally added a tiny dot of white onto Kwincy's eye, and once dry, I varnished Kwincy's eye. And this is it! Thank you so much for watching! For more Best Fiends tutorials, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what kind of do-it-yourself you'd like to see next. And to see more of my videos, check out my YouTube page at petitplat.fr. Bye!